Alright, alright, alright. We are live. Athletic Robots. Yeah. Coming back at you with the 21-22 Select NBA Basketball 20 Hanger Break. Yeah. Got some shimmers up in here. So it should be fun. I'll go ahead and get this video pinned to the featured section. So right on the top of the group page when you log in, you can see it. We are set to go at 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. So that's in 4 minutes. Set to go at 9:30. So I'm on early just to get everything ready. Nope. Nobody is available. Teapot card collectors. So we are set to go here in 3 minutes. What we'll be doing is sleeving anything that's not base or a base insert. And the hits we put into top loaders. We'll ship them out tomorrow. Yeah. I don't really know what type of like SP. And the field levels that are field levels in football, they're court sides. Oh, yeah. I just realized that. Trying to see if they have zebras, because I know in the football the zebras are. I do see tiger prisms, elephant prisms, tiger and elephant prisms. That'd be cool. Hey, Bill. Nope, we are good to go. Hey, Brian. How's it going? One of ones also, huh? That'd be awesome. It does say something's numbered to 1 there. Gold prisms, black prisms, numbered from 10 to 1. Yeah. Trying to get it to focus. Gold shimmer. White, pink prisms. I guess there's all kind of stuff in here. TJ and I opened like 6 of these things and we didn't get anything numbered or anything. Black or one of ones. Wow. That'd be awesome. No doubt about it. This should be a good one, though. From what I hear from Pac-Man's opened them, and he likes them a lot. Select mosaic loaded better than prism. Yeah, for sure. That's the truth. Teapot, what's your name again? I forget. I forget every time. I probably forgot 3 times at least. I want to think it starts with a T. But I forgot. Timothy! Man. You change your Facebook name to Timothy Teapot Card Collectors. Anyways. Yeah. Mosaic is definitely loaded. I agree. So, it'll be nice to see some loaded retail. Alright, kids, it is 9:30 p.m. Teapot, full name, initials. Oh, that's cool. I should have known better. So, let's do this starting lineup, guys. It is 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Alright. All right. All right, James Garrison has the Heat and the Suns. Brian Kohler has the Mavs and the Lakers. Abraham Elias, the Celtics, Hornets, Pacers, Bucks, and Knicks. Cameron Pate, the Grizzlies and Pelicans. Nick Hemmer, there he goes with the Hawks, Nugs, Thunder, and Sixers. In 3 easy installments to my Venmo account. Thank you very much, Nick Hemmer. Animal print, huh? All right, yeah. William Schwab has the Kings, Spurs, and Wiz. Kevin Math, Rockets and Pistons. Adam Tallman, Jazz. David Henry, Raptors. Oh. Wait. I think David Henry just had some other team. I don't know. Richard Hipple, the Blazers. Alex Hoypsch, the Magic. Keith Eckhoff, the Wolves. Melissa Filadoff, Clippers. Royce Cadell, Warriors. Joshua Baruda, Nets. Alright. What was it? But we had a couple of teams that didn't pay that I'm just going to keep, so I don't really want to announce them. Because, you know, I'm just going to keep them. But they weren't paid for, so.
Were any of them the Clippers?
No. I know, it's like, I definitely would have been right with that. Alright, so, without further ado, let's jump on in. Get these gloves on for surgery. And hitting some Genesis Honeycomb and out of 15 for 2021 NFL Cello Logs. Oh, the cellos, huh? Out of Mosaic? Yeah. Bill says I got the clips for like $1. I mean, no offense, but that's like what they're worth. I mean, you know, it's not my squad. I don't know. But then, you know, you pull that. Who do they got on there? Kawhi. You pull that Kawhi like 1 of 1, and you're loving life. So. Best of luck, kids. Let's get her going. We got a Dayron Sharp, and we'll just kind of fly through the base cards. Josh Christopher. Santa Claus. Luka Garza represent Iowa Hawkeyes. Bones, there you go. Nick Hemmer on the board. Trey Mann. Joe Wieskamp, both Hawkeyes. I see some shimmer action back there. Select Company, Stephen Nash. All right, here goes a Bones shimmer. There we go, Nick Hemmer. Yeah. Jalen Green shimmer. Ooh, premier level. Booyah. That's what I'm talking about. All right, so that was the first hanger. Oh, sorry, those are the need sleeve ones. Oh. So, wow. That's the way to get her going. That was a ton of rookies. Man. Out of, 15 cards? I think there was probably 10 rookies. With a nice banger at the end there. It's got some particles from the cards. You'll have to clean that when you get it. Alright, nice one there, Rockets. Alright, That was hanger 1. Here goes hanger number 2. Is it off center? Dang, I guess I didn't even look at that. Yeah, it is. Left to right, isn't it? All right. John Morant base. Look at that. That's a cool card. Look at John Morant. Ah! Have you seen this?
Oh, no.
Ah! He makes that noise when he's doing that. Oh, my. Where is his face? Where's his face? I see lips, I guess. Teeth. Evan Mobley. Cameron Thomas. JT Thor. Isaiah Jackson. Premier level. James Harden. It says Prism.
This is holo.
It looks
It's
just
like the same color, but it's shiny.
It looks just like, oh. Yeah, here's the base.
It's more reflective.
What the hell?
It must be the holo. That's
That
weird.
is slight. You can barely tell.
I can only tell in the light, really.
That's a little bit. Alright, so I guess that's a James Harden holo. That's bogus. Rookie Revolution, Jonathan Kuminga. That's cool. Shimmers, Trey Mann, and Alfred Payton. So they have non-rookie Shimmers. I don't know much about Trey Mann. I don't watch the Thunder a lot at all, actually.
They're playing tonight. Oh, they're playing. Actually, the game's probably over now.
Hmm. Next. Retail exclusive Prism. Huh. Auto in that same pack of Shimmer Courtside. That's what mine had. Corey Kispert. Cade. You go Pistons. Got your Cade base. Delano Banton. Jalen Green. You go Heat. Isaiah Todd. Peyton Pritchard, Premier level. Joker. There we go, Nick Hemmer. Got you a green, purple, silver Joker. Not numbered. That's cool. Embiid. By the numbers. Our shimmers are Isaiah Jackson and Danilo Gallinari got the courtside. So there you go, Hawks. That's cool. There's the base ones. Oops. Interesting. I didn't realize Select had prisms of the base cards. I mean, obviously they have 82 other variations, but it's like, really? That must be new this year. I don't know. Maybe it's been a thing. I'm just not familiar with it. We did just open Select Football, though, and I guess it's pretty different. It's funny how that works. All right, next. Jericho Sims, Herbert Jones, Alperen Sengun. Is that a hit, TJ? The first guy?
Not the, what are they, concourse, I wouldn't say.
Alright, we'll sleeve that one for you. Jimmy Butler, Premier level. Jason Tatum, courtside. There you go, Celtics. Got a Luka Garza, silver. Now that's a silver. That's actually silver. Go Hawks. Steve Nash Select Company. Swear we just got that card with him on another team. Gary Trent Jr. and Devontae Graham got the Shimmers.
No, it was on the Suns for the first one.
Oh. Is it the same card?
Yeah.
Huh. Yeah, courtside shimmer is nice. So I assume the courtside is more rare. Like there's less of it. But I haven't looked into it or anything. Franz Wagner. Is that Concourse a hit? Is he at that level? I don't know. Let's leave that one. Neemias Queta. Zaire Williams. Chris Duarte. Kai Jones. Isaiah Jackson, Premier level. And this is, you can tell the difference in this one. You can see it in the background. Karis LeVert, Premier level Prism. So that's a silver. Karis LeVert. Rookie Revolution, Josh Christopher. That's sweet. Look at that. So it's not numbered, but it looks... I think the base ones of these are just silver, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't know what's up with this. Anybody know, is this blue Rookie Revolution anything special? Let me know. And then we did get a Joker Shimmer and the Brow. Casing up these Jokers for Nick Hammer so he can actually have some case cards. Is there no Clippers in this set? I don't know. Probably. Why, we not got any?
No.
Oh. Usman Garuba. Wait, is that a Clipper? Paul George, you're on the board! Rah! Ha! Colin Sexton. Jonathan Kuminga. He's good. Jaden Springer. DeJounte Murray. Buddy Hield. Cat. Primo exposing himself. Very good. Darius Bazley, Premier level. Another Joker. This one's the Prism. Premier level Prism. Booyah! Nick Hammer's on a roll. See, this Rookie Revolution Kuminga is just silver. So, anybody know if the blue one, is it just, a blue variation? It wasn't numbered. So, I don't know.
I bet it's
Zion.
a blue Rookie Revolution.
Cameron Thomas. So we'll sleeve those. Nick Hammer, send it in. Just the base one, huh? Interesting. So they just probably got like a parallel to the silver that's blue. Send it in. Seriously, they sell out here. Oh, the Jokers. I bet. I bet they do. Kind of like having a John Elway there, right? Keon Johnson. There goes a Clipper rookie. Oh! Isaiah Jackson. Jalen Suggs. He's good. I see a green card back here. It's probably a green-purple. Clint Capella, Premier level. It's the Brow. Green-purple. LeBron James by the numbers. Our blue shimmer. Here we go with a Luka. Yeah. Russell Westbrook. Nice. Here you go, Mavs. Signing at the LCS, a local card shop, December 19th. Can't wait to meet him. Wow. Really?
Mailing you every single thing of Jokic I have.
No, I think he's talking about Bones. Yeah, Bones Highland.
Oh, Bones. Nice.
Joker probably doesn't sign because then he has to speak English. Yeah, I don't know. I guess he probably does, I'm sure. I assume these green purples are, you know, some sort of short print because they're not in every hanger, and when they are, they're only one. So we'll case them up. Oh, fucker. Son of shit. All right. Fanatics owns him now. Oh, so he'll be signing everywhere. Cameron Thomas. JT Thor. Jalen Johnson. Scotty Barnes. There we go, Raptors. Trey Murphy III. I see a silver sneaking out there. Maybe even something else. Isaiah Stewart. Premier level. Oh, it's these things. 75 years of the NBA for select. So this will go to the Thunder. Gary Payton Sonics. Not numbered. Little print line action on the back there. That's cool though. I'll definitely case that one. And we got a Trey Man silver. Yeah, I just don't know. So we'll sleeve that one. Patrick Ewing Select Company. And our shimmers, Kuminga and Zach LaVine. The glove. He was good. He was really good. At the top of his game, he was definitely the best point guard in the NBA, you know. Top 5 at all times. Any argument you could have. / debate. I was watching that Pittsburgh, I forgot the other team. Colts game, yeah. Matt Ryan he's over the hill. Traitor. That's what he gets.
Najee got hurt.
I seen that too.
Isn't coming back.
That's not good.
He scored a touchdown before those.
Santa Claus. Luka Garza. Bones. Got you a base. Trey Man. Joe Wieskamp, represent Iowa Hawkeyes. He plays on the Wisconsin something or other, and they play minor league basketball against each other with Luka Garza. It's pretty funny. Ayo Dosunmu, Premier level. That's a good one. Bones Highland Silver. Oh, spicy. We're on a Nuggets tear. It's off-centered left to right, though. Nick Hemmer. Quality judger. Steph Curry insert, turbocharged. And our shimmers, Kyle Kuzma and Jalen Suggs. Nice. All right, so yeah, these hangers are productive. Using the tap loaders, that's for sure. Auto 10 PSA in about a month. Yeah. But you should have him sign a card that's not off-centered, though, I would say. I mean, you might as well have him sign all your cards. But I mean,
Yeah, if it doesn't cost per item.
yeah, if it's the same, just fucking hand him a whole stack. Oh, your old box.
It's just not even Bones Highland stuff anymore. It's just random T-shirts and hats.
I would say at that point, Nick Hemmer would make them draw the line. I'm sorry, sir. We can no longer autograph your 82 items. You're cut off. Trey Murphy.
Give him a printer press with the autograph on it.
A facsimile, like a stamp. Pat Willie, P. Willie, Moses Moody. There goes a Clipper, Kawhi. He's in there. LeBrizzle. Josh Giddey. All right. So it's his base ahead. We're going to go no on that. Well, we'll sleeve it for you. Tobias Harris. Domantas Sabonis. Ricky Rubio, Premier Level. Rudy Gobert goes to the Jazz, but it is a silver prism.
I don't even think a concourse hit exists.
What if it's Cade?
I don't even have... Do you know how much the Cade concourse
At least $2. Jimmy Butler by the numbers. Shimmers. Alex Caruso and Jaylen Brown. Do, 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 do. All right, that's... It's 30 a card. I'm going and ready to make a deal on 25 cards. Yeah. There you go. You should get some type of piece of paper or something or whatever so you can get them authenticated by PSA.
They'll probably be authenticated, right? Oh.
Jalen Green, Shimmer Concourse, $45. I think we got a Jalen Green in here.
Yeah, I'm talking about the base concourse.
This is the premier level, though. Shimmer.
Like no shimmer, no prism, just a
Oh, you're talking about
base concourse.
Yeah, like these here.
I don't even think even the best player in the set.
These are all concourse. We got Jalen Green, Scotty Barnes, Cade Cunningham, and Evan Mobley. And then the IO is a premier level.
Of course, graded's a different story.
Good luck. They look left to right. They all look off. Every single one of them. I don't understand that one too.
I guess they're pretty complex designs.
They are. It's hard to say. Some of them might be supposed to be off. Oh.
I wonder how someone would be able to tell one of those turbocharged is centered.
Yeah. Basically, you just have to find somebody who's already got a 10 and then, either buy it or look at it.
Alrighty. Second half us.
You can do it. Everybody has a card.
Oh, I better read that. What am I doing? Quentin Grimes. Corey Kispert. Cade Cunningham. Go Pistons. 75 years of the NBA, Dirk.
Sweet.
We go Mavs.
That's nice.
Clips got you a green and purple Kawhi.
Oh, look, Clippers.
We go Clippers.
$1.
Select Company Dirk. So silver. Yeah.
Double the Dirk.
Then the Shimmers, TJ Warren and Josh Christopher.
Oh my god, you can barely see the teammates on the bottom.
Yeah, I was
Like that.
like, if there's somebody that is in a different jersey than their team, then they are no doubt in the wrong spot.
I think luckily though, Select is pretty up to date.
See, I didn't notice any.
So far, so good.
I guess it's pretty easy to be up to date when you come out with your set at a reasonable time in the season.
Yeah, it shouldn't be hard.
Yeah. Should be able to get all the rookies in their uniforms, too.
Yeah.
Like some sets.
Yeah, as long as they play.
Delano Banton. Jalen Green. Go Rockets. Isaiah Todd. Davion Mitchell. James Bouknight. Luka Doncic silver.
Oh.
Huh. So what are those? Is there a holo and a silver?
I don't know what that one was. What was it? I forget.
Well, we've got multiple of them where it's the same color but just shiny-ish.
Huh.
But there we go, Mavs.
So one's a silver
Luka.
and one's a hollow, then. That's a silver, I would say.
Yeah. Jimmy Butler numbers. Shimmers. We got Santa Claus and Luca Garza.
Oh, guys.
Yup.
That's millions and trillions. There, Pistons.
Blue Prism retail exclusive. That silver is the true silver. Also, those ones we were getting were blue prisms.
That's confusing as hell. I think Select needs to explain themselves.
Nick Hemmer says, "Run it back, fellas. These things are a blast." These things are. They're nice and easy to break too.
Yeah, it was casing all the green purples.
Oh.
Do with the program.
Where are they at? They don't have a section.
They're right there. They're on that.
We're casing all of them, but they don't have a section. They don't sound very special. Trying to pick it up.
There you go, Clippers. $1.
Okay, so Blue Prism retail exclusive says you cannot get one in hobby boxes.
Oh, that's cool. That is exclusive.
Nice.
That's interesting.
I want. That James Harden might need to get cased then.
On the Rockets, I
Nets.
Okay.
Joshua Primo.
Yeah, it is a different shade of. Well, no, that's the shimmer.
Keon Johnson. Isaiah Jackson. Chris Duarte, Premier level. I think that is. Yep, Premier. Oscar Robertson, 75 years of the NBA. Go Bucks. Donovan Mitchell, silver. Cade Cunningham by the numbers. Shimmer. Kevin Love and DeMar DeRozan. Then retail has blue courtside. I
think I've pulled some of those too.
So this is a blue prism, huh? Look, is there a base card right here?
Oh, you can definitely tell.
Yeah, that's weird. They
It's
make
like
it the
a
same
refractor.
color though. That's weird.
Yeah, that is interesting. The border is the same.
Cade Cunningham right on the top. There we go. So technically, the hit so far, case-wise, is the Hawks blue shimmer courtside. Huh. Who was that?
Delano
Delano Banton. All right. There we go, Hawks. I'll case that one up after this pack. Jalen Green. Isaiah Todd. Davion Mitchell. James Bouknight. Josh Giddey silver.
Oh, yeah.
There we go, Thunder.
It's a nice one.
Scotty Barnes turbocharged. And the Shimmers. Alprin Sanguine. There we go, Rockets. Miles Bridges. Were the Shimmers? Oh, are these the Shimmers right here?
Yep.
All right, Hawks. I've been told this is the bee's knees right here. Shimmer courtside.
You can do it.
Danilo Gallinari. Boom, Giddy, send it. Don't care if it's a 9.
It is a 9. As long as there's nothing else wrong with it. But the centering indicates 9. It's nice though.
Oh, yeah.
I bet that's a super tough pull. I don't see another one. Yet.
Daron Sharp. Josh Christopher. Santa Claus. Luca Garza. Bones. Nick Hemmer. Trey Mann. Here's a Colin Sexton. Blue Prism.
Yeah, that's cool. You can definitely tell now, I guess.
Yeah.
I couldn't tell right away, though.
Cavs. Rookie Revolution Jalen Johnson. And then the Shimmers, Brandon Ingram and Corey Kispert. Nick Hemmer with all of the emojis. He's raging with excitement. Joe Wieskamp. Evan Mobley. There you go, us.
Yes.
I think that was the team.
That is us.
Cam Thomas, JT Thor, Quentin Grimes, Jonathan Kuminga. I think this is a blue prism. Yeah. There we go, Warriors.
Nice.
Giannis by the numbers. Shimmers, Jaren Jackson, and Franz Wagner. Woo. There we go.
That's good.
Chris Duarte, Kai Jones, Usman Garuba, Jonathan Kuminga, Jaden Springer, Jordan Clarkson, Blue Prism, another one of the Blue Revolutions, Bones Highland. There we go, Nick Hemmer. That's what I'm talking about.
Yep.
Shimmers, James Bouknight, and Steph Curry. Here we go. Warriors. I can see the signature on this bad boy right now. The double bone emoji in the comments to make it official. Jalen Johnson, Scotty Barnes. Yo, Raptors. Trey Murphy. Moses Moody. Luka. Premier level. Paul George courtside. Here we go, Clippers.
That's cool. It's a base court set.
Oh, and Lakers got a silver Bron. Shoo-wee.
Nice.
Select company Charles Barkley. Shimmers, Neemias Queta, and Josh Christopher. So is base courtside, is that like rare, super rare, or not rare enough to care about the base cards?
I don't know. I have no idea. It's a base card.
All right, we got 2 to go here. You got the LeBron and Luka silver, Brian. You got the Lakers and Mavs. That's tough.
Nice.
Oh, yes, rare, Nick Emmer says.
Oh, okay. What was that?
The PG.
Oh,
Cade base courtside's like $50. Luka Garza, Bones Highland, Trey Mann.
Luka Garza's like $1 million.
True that. Joe Wieskamp, Iowa Pack. Evan Mobley. Yup. Oh, Evan Mobley Premier level.
Oh, yeah!
Yep. And Cam Thomas, Blue Prism. Select company David Robinson. The Shimmers, Bojan Bogdanovic and Precious Achua. Garza is on the Timberwolves G League squad, I'm pretty sure. The Iowa
He's got a
Wolves.
two-way. He goes back and forth.
Yeah.
He didn't play when he went up, but he's been up once. But down in the G League, he averages like 30 points a game. He's domination if it's not pro.
Yeah, he's the truth. Cannot be messed with in G League.
He'd probably score a decent amount if he got playing time in the NBA, too.
Yeah.
He's
He's
a
definitely
liability.
better than a few players I see out there.
He's a defensive liability for sure.
Yeah.
100 million %.
About the least athletic human I've ever seen on a court. And I've seen Kyle Anderson
He's
on
a
a court.
poster waiting to happen.
James Bouknight. Who postered him right when he got into the league? I forgot. Somebody put him on a poster.
You talking about in the NBA?
Yeah. And one of his first games in the NBA got dunked on. Daron Sharp. Josh Christopher. Santa Claus.
Yeah.
Another LeBron Silver. This one's a premier level.
Yeah.
There we go, Brian. That's what I'm talking about.
Double the silver.
It's a blue Zach LaVine numbers.
That's cool.
Not numbered, but there we go, Bulls. The Shimmers, Russell Westbrook, and the last Shimmer, Luka.
Another Luka.
Here we go, Mavs. Good way to end. That's Brian, too.
Yeah.
Brian, what a way to end the break.
You can do it. I'm sad that it ended. I want it to keep going.
No kidding.
That was pretty fun.
Definitely going to have to do these again. Thank you, Bill. Hope to catch you back.
Yeah.
All right. Let's get into this review. Start with the base rookies. Yes, sir, Brian. Enjoy the bronze and Lucas. All right, for the base rookies, we got Evan Mobley, Scotty Barnes, Evan Mobley, Cade Cunningham, Jalen Green, Cade Cunningham, Scotty Barnes, Jalen Green, Cade Cunningham, Evan Mobley, and Ayo Dosunmu, premier level. We got 75 years of the NBA, Oscar Robertson, Dirk Nowitzki, and Gary Payton. Oh, yeah, Brian, you got this Dirk, too. What a break. What a break to have the Lakers and Mavericks. All right, let me try to sort these out into prism type. All right, so we got some blue prisms. Nikola Jokic, James Harden, Jonathan Kuminga. We got Paul George courtside. Oh, and the silver Dirk Select Company. Yeah, that's in the sleeve pile even. Got hits in the sleeve pile. Silvers.
Got a Luka premier level, too.
Oh, yeah. What a break. Plenty of Russell Westbrook color I saw, too, and AD.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Silvers. Bones Highland, Luka Doncic, Josh Giddey, LeBron James, and LeBron James premier level. Got a blue rookie Revolution, Bones Highland. And then we got green and purples, Kawhi Leonard, Nikola Jokic, and Anthony Davis. And then the blue Shimmers. They be shimmering. All right, we got Luka Doncic, Steph Curry, Franz Wagner, Alperen Sengun, Jalen Green, Jalen Suggs, Jonathan Kuminga, Luka Doncic, Nikola Jokic, Bones Highland, and the Shimmer courtside Danilo Gallinari. Bang, 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 bang.
Sure.
Bang, bang. All right, that'll do it. I don't know. We don't have anything came up with a schedule yet, but it's Optic coming up, right?
It'll be a lot of different stuff. We'll be back this weekend, and we'll update the schedule either tonight or tomorrow.
Yep. So you'll know here shortly.
We'll see you soon.
Yep. See ya.
See ya.